Oh, hey there. Welcome to this video. I'm going to take you through the box shadow property in CSS, which basically makes the cards or any elements that you want to pop out have a 3D effect. Yeah. So let's get right into this video without further ado. Okay, so right away, I'm going to open the browser and we're on this site. Now the good people of Get CSS Scan, right, have created this absolute beauty of a template that we're going to use today. So basically we're going to use we're going to use some of them, and it's as easy as copying it. But before we get to this page, let's go to base CSS. If you do not know what base CSS is, you should check out this video. So I created base CSS myself to help you grasp JavaScript concepts and CSS concepts easily while writing minimal code. So yeah. So the easiest way to get base CSS is to copy this link. So just click this copy icon and paste it in your head, and this should link base CSS. Now today we want to create various cards, so I'm going to create a div called flex. I want to have 3 cards, so cards times 3. We're going to write CSS, but will be very minimal. I want the height, so I'm going to select the first instance, Control D, select the rest, right, to go to the end of the text, and then I'm going to do a height of I think I did to 40 with a padding of let's do 4, just so the card is quite big. And just for illustration purposes, I'm going to make this background black. Now these are all classes displayed on the page, so I'm going to go to color. Yes, and BG black is right here. I'm also going to go to height. I did, yeah, 4. This is 40 pixels, so H-4 will do that for us. And with the padding as well, go to the padding section, and yes, I have padding to 4, so that's 40 px on all sides. Now what do? Basically we're going to go back to our get scan sites, and let's click on this one. So now all the properties that we need have been copied. I'm going to go into my CSS file. I also have to link that one, sorry. So link CSS, and then we'll link that for us. I'll just call my card class, which is on all the cards that I've created here, and I'll paste whatever was copied from get scan CSS site. So I'll open this with live server, and let's see what we have. Good. So we have our black cards. Let me place this in a container. So I'll cut, I'll paste. Now I can get rid of the black backgrounds because I do not need them. Also, maybe I'd want to separate them, so I'll use the margin right 4 just for this video. Yeah, so we should have our cards right here. Also, let me place a margin top 4 just so the cards are separated. So we do have our cards right here. I'm going to zoom in a bit. These are our cards. Also, let me give these cards unique classes. So this will be card 1. I'll copy and paste the rest. Card 2 and card 3. Now the reason why I want to do that is to create unique shadows for all of them. So this is just going to go on card 1. I'm going to copy and paste for the rest of the cards. So we're going to have card 2 and card 3. And now we're going to go back to our get CSS scan site. Right? There's so many options to choose from. There's this one that gives this 3D effect, makes it look like bread or some object you can think of when you see that. Yes. So now I'm going to paste that in card 2. Let's see what card 2 looks like. And this is what it looks like. Also, let me add a common class for all the cards. I mean, all the cards have a common class, which is card. I just want to have a border radius of maybe 10 px. And yes, so you can see that the cards are rounded. So we've done card 1, card 2. Let me go with a different style. Let me go with this one. So I'm just going to copy this for card 3. Yes. So I'll just highlight this and replace it with what I copied from get CSS scan. And there you go. So basically, if you want your cards to stand out on a page, you want it to have that 3D effect, so your page is a bit interesting, you can do that. So you can go ahead and create your card. You can have text, h1. Let me give it this main heading. It should be main hyphen heading, sorry. And you can say card 1. So you can have cards that stand out, you know. This is basically how it works. There'll be a shadow behind your card, so let it pop out from your page. So that's how the box shadows work. I'll link the site in the description so you can go check it out. You can copy as and when you need them. And I thank you so much for joining this video. I'll see you in the next one.